Welcome back to Boots in the Grass. Today we're going to be delivering another load.
We got a busy day ahead of us. We got to deliver a load up to the gas station. We're going to go get a load of mulch to finish out our beds. After that, we're gonna come back and get the roadside stand out. We got to split some more wood for the roadside stand. Put the bundles out there. We got to put some handles on some bundles that we've had. And what else do we got to do, guys? It seems like we have something else.
We got to split our firewood.
Yes, we got to split some more. We try to
Yeah, we have to split enough for tomorrow. Cause
oh yeah, Brooke had a field trip this week. She was at the zoo, and the little entrepreneur she is, she sold some firewood. So we got a dad coming over to get some firewood for this weekend's bonfires that he's going to be having. So he texted me the other day when they were at the zoo and said that Brooke said that she has some good firewood for him. So we'll make that happen too. We'll bring you along today. It's gonna be a hodgepodge, a little bit of everything, but we're excited for you guys to watch. Thank you. Made it over to the rack. We got 9 empty slots. Holiday weekend. We're gonna get them filled up. If you do it for them, they won't learn. All right, we're gonna go back and get loaded back up. We'll be back. All right, we came back. We had 6 empty slots. We left with 4. So the girls are excited. We're gonna get this filled up and go on with our day. We still got to put the roadside rack up, get that stacked too. I'm glad we had Mom helping us. Have you guys ever seen one of these pizza vending machines? So what it is literally you can come in here and select whatever you want. All right, so we're gonna walk you through it. Reese is still a little, we've only done this once. So they have breakfast pizza, cheese pizza, barbecue pizza, pepperoni pizza. All right, we want it hot, Reese. You want it hot, Ed? Yep. Confirm. Confirm. Yep, continue. All right, so I know the lighting's not that great, but you gotta just pay there. Once it's processing, get that, and then we gotta wait 3 minutes, and it'll come out down there. First time using the email, bootsinthegrass@gmail.com. Feel free to drop us a line. We're almost there. We're almost at the 40% mark from our pizza being ready. This is their pay for today, for working in the Woodyard. So yeah, it's a pretty cool concept. Pizza vending machine, they stay pretty busy. We've done this a couple times. The pizza's actually not that bad. All right, the pizza's on its way. It's cool, it's a nice little graphic design. All right, here's the pizza.
Oh, that's hot. It's not.
Let's open it up and see what it looks like. There it is. Smells good.
I want to eat it so bad.
All right, we're gonna go in and get a Slurpee and go home and have some pizza.